Have you ever typed something like E equals mc squared or H2O and wondered how to get those tiny characters sitting above or below the text? Well, that's exactly what Superscript and Subscript are for. Superscript raises a character above the baseline, and Subscript drops it below the baseline. They are super useful for scientific formulas, math equations, footnotes, and more. Let's check it out. Alright, so I've got some text here. Let's start with Superscript. I'll highlight the character I want to change, head up to the text menu, select baseline, and click Superscript. And there we go. It now sits right above the line. I can also head to the context toolbar and look for this Superscript icon. Just click on it, and done. Another way is through the character panel. If you don't see it, go to Window, Text, and click Character. Once the panel is open, go to Position and Transform and click this drop-down menu to change the character to Superscript. Now for Subscript, same idea. Select the character, go to the text menu at the top, select Baseline, and click Subscript. Or click the Subscript icon in the context toolbar, or head to the character panel, under Position and Transform, and select Subscript from there. And one more thing, through the character panel, I can make further adjustments to how my Superscript and Subscript look. I can tweak the size right here, and under Position and Transform, I can adjust the baseline position to get it looking exactly how I want. And that's it for Superscript and Subscript in Affinity. Hope this helped. If it did, give it a like and share, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye.